Welcome to Explain, a series of health education programs published by the Patient Education Institute, the leading provider of interactive health education. This video includes general medical information and does not replace the medical advice of your doctor or healthcare provider. If you have questions pertaining to your medical condition, ask your doctor or healthcare provider. Levitra. Introduction. Levitra is a pill used to treat impotence in men. It can help many men who have impotence get and keep an erection when they become sexually stimulated. Impotence is a common condition. A man who is impotent is persistently unable to achieve or maintain an erection for satisfactory sexual intercourse. About 30 million men in the United States have erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the medical term for impotence. Levitra is available only by prescription. Before prescribing Levitra, your healthcare provider will make sure that the medication is a good treatment option for you. This program explains how Levitra works, when it should be used, and when it should never be used. It also presents points you should discuss with your healthcare provider before and after using Levitra. The main side effects of Levitra are also presented. Erectile dysfunction. When a man is sexually excited, the penis rapidly fills with more blood than usual. The penis then expands and hardens. This is called an erection. After the man ejaculates, this extra blood flows out of the penis back into the body. The erection goes away. Some medical conditions and medicines interfere with this natural erection process. The penis cannot fill with enough blood. The man cannot have or maintain an erection. This is called erectile dysfunction if it becomes a frequent problem. How Levitra works. Levitra enables many men with erectile dysfunction to respond to sexual stimulation. When a man is sexually excited, Levitra helps the penis fill with enough blood to cause an erection. After sex is over, the erection goes away. The usual dose of Levitra is taken 1 hour before sex with or without food. The effect of the pill may last up to 4 hours. This means that an erection may occur up to 4 hours after taking the pill. It does not mean that the erection will last for 4 hours. For Levitra to work, sexual stimulation is necessary. Levitra is not a hormone or an aphrodisiac. It will not cause an erection if there is no sexual stimulation. The sexual stimulation can be physical or mental. Most patients who take Levitra are satisfied with the improved quality of the erection and with the ability to maintain the erection for satisfactory sexual intercourse. Levitra does not increase the libido or sex drive and does not affect the orgasm. Levitra comes in 4 different doses: 2.5, 5, 10, and 20 milligrams. Your healthcare provider will tell you at what dosage to start. Depending on the individual response, the dosage may have to be adjusted by your healthcare provider. The goal is to have the lowest dose that works in order to avoid having side effects. The higher the dose used, the higher the chance of side effects. Sponsored by the Patient Education Institute. www.patient-education.com. Over 5,000 videos and interactive tutorials. Indications. Levitra is prescribed for men with erectile dysfunction. Levitra is a treatment and not a cure for erectile dysfunction. Levitra is not a hormone or an aphrodisiac. It does not enhance the libido or the sex drive. Remember that Levitra does not protect against sexually transmitted diseases such as AIDS, does not prevent conception or pregnancy. Contraindications. Levitra is not for everybody. Levitra is not for patients with heart problems. Ask your healthcare provider if your heart is healthy enough for sexual activity. If you take any medicines that contain nitrates, either regularly or as needed, you should never take Levitra. If you take Levitra with any nitrate medicine or recreational drug containing nitrates, your blood pressure could suddenly drop to an unsafe level. You could get dizzy, faint, or even have a heart attack or stroke. Nitrates are found in many prescription medicines that are used to treat angina. These include Nitroglycerin sprays, ointments, skin patches, or pastes and tablets that are swallowed or dissolved in the mouth. Isosorbide mononitrate and isosorbide dinitrate tablets that are swallowed, chewed, or dissolved in the mouth. Nitrates are also found in recreational drugs, such as amyl nitrate or nitrite. If you are not sure if any of your medicines contain nitrates, or if you do not understand what nitrates are, ask your healthcare provider or pharmacist.
Levitra is only for patients with erectile dysfunction. Levitra is not for women or children.
Do not let anyone else take your Levitra. Levitra must be used only under a healthcare provider's supervision. Patients who share their prescribed Levitra pills with their friends may endanger the lives of their friends who may be taking medications that are not compatible with Levitra.
Levitra should not be used with any other medical treatments that cause erections. These treatments include pills, medicines that are injected or inserted into the penis, implants, or vacuum pumps. Prescription.
Only your healthcare provider can decide if Levitra is right for you. You will need to have a thorough medical exam to diagnose your erectile dysfunction and to find out if you can safely take Levitra alone or with other medicines. Your healthcare provider should also determine if your heart is healthy enough to handle the extra strain of having sex. Be sure to tell your healthcare provider if you have ever had any heart problems, such as angina, chest pain, heart failure, irregular heartbeats, heart attack, or narrowing of the aortic valve.
Have ever had a stroke? Have low or high blood pressure? Have ever had severe vision loss? Have a rare inherited eye disease called retinitis pigmentosa.
Also tell your healthcare provider if you have ever had any kidney problems, have ever had any liver problems, have ever had any blood problems, including sickle cell anemia or leukemia, are allergic to vardenafil, HCl, or any of the other ingredients of Levitra tablets.
Have a deformed penis, Peyronie's disease, or have ever had an erection that lasted more than 4 hours. Have stomach ulcers or any types of bleeding problems. Are taking any other medicines.
Some medicines can change the way Levitra works. Tell your healthcare provider about any medicines you are taking. Do not start or stop any medicines before checking with your healthcare provider or pharmacist. This includes prescription and non-prescription medicines or remedies.
Side effects.
Like all medicines, Levitra can cause some side effects. These effects are usually mild to moderate and usually don't last longer than a few hours. Some of these side effects are more likely to occur with higher doses. The most common side effects of Levitra are headache, flushing of the face, and upset stomach. Less common side effects that may occur are temporary changes in color vision, such as trouble telling the difference between blue and green objects, or objects having a blue color tinge. Other side effects include eyes becoming more sensitive to light and blurred vision. In rare instances, men taking Levitra or other oral erectile dysfunction medications reported a sudden decrease or loss of vision in one or both eyes. If you experience sudden decrease or loss of vision, stop taking Levitra and call a healthcare provider right away. In rare instances, men have reported an erection that lasts many hours. You should call a healthcare provider immediately if you ever have an erection that lasts more than 4 hours. If not treated right away, permanent damage to your penis could occur.
Heart attack, stroke, irregular heartbeats, and death have been reported rarely in men taking Levitra. Most, but not all of these men had heart problems before taking this medicine. It is not possible to determine whether these events were directly related to Levitra.
Levitra may cause other side effects besides those listed in this program. If you want more information or develop any side effects or symptoms you are concerned about, call your healthcare provider. He or she may want to adjust the dosage of Levitra. A small number of people have noticed a sudden hearing loss or ringing in the ear while using this type of drug. Even though healthcare providers aren't sure if the drug causes these symptoms, patients who experience this type of ringing in the ears or hearing loss while taking Levitra
should stop taking the medication and tell their healthcare provider immediately. Using Levitra. Keep Levitra out of the reach of children and in its original container. Store at room temperature between 59 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. As you start using Levitra, follow these tips. If you do not get the results you expect, talk with your healthcare provider. You can determine the dose that works best for you. Do not take more Levitra than your healthcare provider prescribes. Do not take Levitra more than once a day. Make sure to tell all of your healthcare providers and pharmacists about your use of Levitra. Levitra may interact with other prescription and over-the-counter medications. During sex, your heart works harder. Sexual activity may not be advisable for people who have heart problems. If you have chest pains, dizziness, or nausea during sex, this may be an indication of a heart disease. Stop having sex and immediately tell your healthcare provider if you have had this problem.
If you like this video, please like and share. For similar videos, subscribe to our channel.
Conclusion. Levitra is a pill used to treat impotence in men. It can help many men who have impotence get and keep an erection when they become sexually stimulated. Impotence is a common condition. A man who is impotent is persistently unable to achieve or maintain an erection for satisfactory sexual intercourse. Levitra enables many men with erectile dysfunction to respond to sexual stimulation. When a man is sexually excited, Levitra helps the penis fill with enough blood to cause an erection. After sex is over, the erection goes away. For Levitra to work, sexual stimulation is necessary. Levitra is not a hormone or an aphrodisiac. It will not cause an erection if there is no sexual stimulation. The sexual stimulation can be physical or mental. Most patients who take Levitra are satisfied with the improved quality of the erection and the ability to maintain the erection for satisfactory sexual intercourse. Levitra does not increase the libido or sex drive and does not affect the orgasm. Only your healthcare provider can decide if Levitra is right for you. You will need to have a thorough medical exam to diagnose your erectile dysfunction and to find out if you can safely take Levitra alone or with other medicines. Like all medicines, Levitra can cause some side effects. These effects are usually mild to moderate and usually don't last longer than a few hours. Some of these side effects are more likely to occur with higher doses. Thank you for using Explain.